to the mast, to distant lands, takes both my hands, never a frown, with golden brown. Golden brown, fine a temptress, through the ages she's heading west. From far away, stays for a day,